Your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. How to fix it? In today's video, we're going to tackle a frustrating issue when you see the message, your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. Don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to fix it so you can get back to downloading apps and making purchases. So let's jump right in. Open Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen, select Subscription. If there are any unpaid bills, you'll see them in the list over here. Just tap on any bill and pay it off to resolve the issue. One common reason your account gets disabled is due to unpaid bills or outstanding payments. Now let's check your payment information. Just go to Media and Purchases and tap on View Account and simply go to Manage Payments. If you see an alert or outdated payment method, just tap Edit. You can also update your credit card, debit card, or PayPal information to ensure everything is correct. After updating, try logging back into your App Store and iTunes account. Now, if none of the above solutions work, you may need to contact Apple support directly. Just go to Apple support website. Choose the option to either chat, call, or email support. Now, Apple will help you investigate the reason behind the account being disabled and guide you through the necessary steps. Just wait for 24 to 48 hours for Apple to resolve the issue. And that's how you can fix the issue of your App Store and iTunes account being disabled.